The food is delicious.
Yes, Dad. I'm actually enjoying this food.
That's
This is so nice.
my princess. Are you okay? My princess. Oh, my princess. Hold her! Hold her! My princess! It's okay, my dear. What are you doing? What my only daughter? My only fruits. Only place to suck that I can't lose my only daughter.
What do you want me to do? Huh? You and I know that we've done our best in this illness. We've even taken her overseas. To no avail. What do you want me to do?
Eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha. Usano ya mo yemi, ubawe mi aye. Yemi alogi ma, wobiri yoboyo. Okuno lo tona, wenu do kame ma no we. Wa u yon le bwe mara. E no we na salobon. Your daughter will be fine. This illness is temporal, and it is for a purpose.
Wise one. What do you mean by the illness is for a purpose?
It's okay.
Do not take her for any medical treatment. She will be fine in a few hours.
Wise one. Does it mean that my daughter will suffer this strange illness every 2 months? Because the last 2 months she was like this.
Eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha, eu kuchacha.
It's all the service, right?
No. Dad.
Oh my word. Where is my baby going looking so gorgeous? Oh, I'm so pretty.
Thank you, Dad.
Oh, my princess, you are pretty.
Hello. Have you forgotten that your queen is a jealous lover?
Mom!
You are my number one.
You look stunning, my beautiful princess.
Thank you, my queen.
Good. So where are you off?
Okay, I'm off to the mall to go get my gold chain. The vendor just called me that it has arrived from Dubai.
Please, take good care of yourself. Of course I will. Bye, darling. Bye, Dad.
So, see you later. I'll get something from the milk for the book.
Of course you should. Oh. Honey, have you noticed that for the past 8 months, that strange illness has not returned to our daughter? And she's always looking happy these days.
Yes, I noticed it. I had been asking myself in my heart. The chief priest said it. Now I believed him. May our ancestors be praised.
Ise.
My princess, you mean you want to go and visit a commoner? A boy you just met?
Oh, come on, Oluchi. He's such a handsome-looking young man, and besides, I like him.
Have you forgotten the daughter of who you are? You're royalty, princess.
Oluchi, you should know better. It doesn't matter. What matters is love. There is this joy, this peace, this calmness I feel in my heart. Oh, whenever I am talking to him on video call, I feel so... Oh my God. Hold on. He has sent me his location. Have a look. Are you familiar with the address?
Yeah, I know this area. But my princess, are you sure you want to do this? The queen will not be happy you visited such place.
Oluchi, are you telling me that humans don't live there?
They do, but you're a princess for crying out loud. Besides, why is he living in such area? You're not meant to be found around such place.
Oluchi, you should know me better. I am not the type of princess that discriminates among the poor people. And besides, his photos online, he dressed so good. He dresses nice. And I like him. Yeah, I do. I like him.
My princess, you have to be careful. All this online relationship, me, I don't trust them. But no problem, since you've made up your mind.
Anyway, I have to go now. So tell me, how do I look? How does your princess look?
My gosh, you look so beautiful as always.
You can say that again. Walk me to the car. Oluchi, please get into the car. I will drop you off.
Alright, no problem.
We have to arrange this place, since you said you're expecting the guests. I'm expecting the princess, no?
The princess. But come to think of it, does the princess know you're not from the worldly background? Maybe she not come to this environment, come be disappointed though.
I don't know. But the thing is, the day she said she wanted to see me, I told her, okay, let's meet in a bar or a fast food joint. She said no, that she wants to come to my house. She wants to see where I live.
Okay, well, how about you use that your uncle's duplex to welcome her? Welcome my career man.
Stop this thing now. How can you tell me to take my visitor to my uncle's house? Is it done? That's disrespect to my uncle. See, if she comes to my house and she doesn't like it, let her find her way. By hours, everybody go their way. After all, it was online we met. we've not seen each other. Even though we've been chatting so deep, but I haven't opened up to her about my status. So everybody can just find their way. How?
Now, Maliki Bobo, you get big eye. Oh. Eh? Of all the people to chat on the internet, what do we know say for Bulu, the princess of Ubudeze kingdom? Hey! Now, what keep Bakalume? Oh, me and you there, now should we there? We go to say as you go take end. Say any if order Okada or Abina moto, you're gonna have any slight sight where I just see princess they come. I don't move, I don't want wahala. Mamma, don't you even know you can get arrested by the palace guards for deceiving the princess? No, okay. What are that to go?
How did I deceive the princess?
Hi.
See, you're beginning to scare me. Okay. Hey, what if I call her now and tell her something came up that I will not be available?
Chakam, another lie. Another lie. I say. What if she's on her way? Eh? What can Lulu do together now? And she sees this environment and gets angry at you.
But what do you want me to do now? See, you're beginning to scare me. Oh. I remember vividly the other day when I called her on video call. She declined the call and said I should not call her except she permits me. I wanted to show her this environment now. Let her sit before she comes here. Oh. I don't want trouble. I don't want wahala. Let everybody day their day. I don't want problem.
Ike Bobo. Huh? Call her and cancel this appointment. Simple. Call her and cancel the appointment.
No, I can't do that.
You must call. If you call her and cancel the appointment, you will sing. Nemedige.
Well, your old brother support your fair. Hey, she saw us. Let your apple come over. Hurry, my princess. Hurry.
Ikenna, are you okay? Why are you staring at me like that?
You're welcome, my princess.
Thank you.
Please sit. So, wait. Please. Please, sit.
Is this not your clothes?
Of course.
Why will I sit on your clothes? Please remove it.
But
I'm good. Sit down. Sit. Put on your clothes. Put it on.
your maid.
She's good. Your place is nice. The environment is cool. I like it.
Thank you very much, my princess. Thank you.
Princess? Please don't call me princess again. That's not what you call me when we chat online.
Thank you, Mama.
That's more like it. I like it when you call me Mma. So why are you changing it?
I'm sorry, Mama.
No problem.
Please, give me 1 minute. I'll be back.
Go. A business.
No.
My princess. This is all I have at home. Please, manage it.
It's okay. Stop disturbing yourself. I'm okay with this already. What about your parents? Your mom? Your dad?
My dad is late. Because my mom went to the market. She'll be back soon.
Ikenna, I'm so sorry to hear about that. It's okay. But I hope your mom won't be angry a girl came looking for you.
No. I told her you were coming to see me. I told her someone so beautiful is coming. Which is expecting you.
Really?
Yes. Ma,
Yes.
you said something earlier.
Which is?
You said my environment is cool. Are you sure?
Sure. I like this environment. It's so calm, peaceful. I wish I can stay here for some time.
Oh,
Um,
thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah. Let me get water. Please, wash your hands.
wash your hands too.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Let me help you with that.
No. I'm good. I enjoy eating yam with my bare hands. This is so nice. I've not had this in a long time. This is African delicacy. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Okay. Let me put some juice for you.
No. Water is okay. I prefer water, please.
Okay. You like it?
What is royal convoy doing?
There is juice if you want.
I am good with the water. Don't worry.
Okay. My mom is back.
Oh.
Nah.
No.
You're welcome.
Thank you, so.
No.
Mama, welcome, ma.
Thank you, my daughter.
Mama,
Mama.
meet Princess Ugoma. I call her Mma.
Really?
She is the princess of Obodoeze Kingdom.
Zuko.
Yes. She's my best friend.
Mama, welcome.
Thank you, my daughter. You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Mama.
So, how are your parents?
Mama, they are fine.
Mama, Papa, no.
Kelechi.
Princess, Tofa.
Welcome. Ikenna, is he your brother? I don't know him.
Mbao, he's my runaway friend.
Okay. Welcome. Yeah. Thank you so much.
My daughter,
Yes, ma'am.
please make yourself comfortable.
Okay, Mama.
Yes, don't bother yourself. Let me drop these things. I will be back.
Okay, Mama.
And
Mama, no.
Ikenna, your mom is so comely and looks so nice. I like her.
You like my mom?
Of course I do. I like her.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Ikenna, when are you coming to visit me in the palace? When are you coming to visit me in the palace?
Me,
Yes, you.
to visit you in the palace.
Or don't you want to visit me?
I want to visit you. Okay, in fact, I will visit you.
Perfect. Can you come tomorrow? I want to introduce you to my parents, the king and the queen. What's this? Is there anything wrong with you coming to visit me in the palace?
It's not like that. I will come. But I have to discuss it with my mother first.
No problem. Where is Mama? I have to take my leave. Mama, my daughter. Yes, Mama. I brought you here. For me? Yes. This for me, Mama. Yes, my daughter. Took it. Okay, I'll take only 2. 2? Yes, Mama. Only 2 is enough for me.
No, my daughter. Please take all.
Mama,
You can't take it home.
Mama, I'm okay with this too. I'm good, Mama.
Are you sure?
Mama, thank you so much for your hospitality. You're so nice. Mama, I want Ikenna to visit me in the palace tomorrow. I want to introduce him to the king and the queen.
Oh, really?
Yes, Mama.
It's okay. If you say so.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you so much. Welcome, my daughter. I have to take my leave now. Thanks for the peer.
It's okay, my daughter.
Ikenna, please, see me off to the car. Mama, I will see you again.
It's okay, my daughter. All right. Greet your parents.
Bye, princess.
Open the car.
Amen. For you, congratulations. Then I have an appointment by 3. Someone is waiting for me. And Ugi Lugo. Can Jenna and Echamo? Mama, go. Am I a fool?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Ken. Long time ago when you were little.
Thanks for coming around.
Look, Nile.
Okay, Une, before you go, there is actually something important I want to discuss with you. It's about your son, Ikenna. He's going to be a king.
Neterewa. A king, you said? King what?
Yes.
How?
Please don't laugh over it. I am seeing your son in the spirit's realm, carrying some items, some kingship items to your compound. Sydney, I am vividly sure that you are not royalty, but he's going to bring royalty to your home. In the spirit, I saw him sitting beside a princess, and he was crowned king. Yes.
Hey, Chimo. Oh God. Please, let this prophecy come to pass. Biko, let it come to pass in his life.
Amen.
Amen.
Amen. Ne, it's definitely going to happen.
Amen.
The message is clear.
Amen. I claim it for him.
Amen. Okay, you can now start going.
Oh, thank you very much, my daughter.
Take care of yourself. My regards to your son.
He will hear. You know, I told you something before. That's the message of you bringing royalty to this family came so many years ago. That means the word of God is A and Amen.
Mama, so what do I do now? I cannot go to the palace to visit the princess. The king might not be happy. The king might order his guards to arrest me. What am I going to do?
My son, don't be afraid. Miyochi is with you. This movement has been made known by God long time ago. So my son, do not be afraid once again. He will go to the palace. Because I saw the love in the princess' eyes towards you. But my son, do not take advantage of her. She really loves you. Do not touch her. Do not do anything stupid to her until both of you are officially married. Please, my son, so that the God that make it possible for you to be here today will not be angry with you.
Dad, Mom, there's something I want to tell you, but
Oh, really? Okay.
my boyfriend will be visiting me for the first time tomorrow.
Wow. This is good news.
Thank you, Mommy.
At least our daughter brought home a man by herself.
Impressive.
Ah.
Nice.
So, tell me, my darling, from which kingdom, who is his father? And
Mom, relax. He's not from a royal family.
then, where is he from? Is it a senator or governor's son? You know, talk to me. I can't wait to meet my in-laws.
Obidia, relax. Don't be desperate over our daughter's suitor. I know my daughter will not disappoint me. I trust her.
Okay, I'll be in my room.
That's okay, darling.
Alright.
She will not disappoint me.
I hope not.
Good morning, my friend.
Yes. Adjust that plate there. Good. Get more bottles of wine. I want them clean. I want them sparkling.
Okay, my queen. And who's that?
Good.
Kolichi, guess what? I met him the other day and he's so handsome. And his mom is so nice. There's some quality they give to me. Yes, I'm telling you. Yeah, quality they
I am expecting our in-laws, and they are coming in convoy. So repack these cars so that our visitors can see where they will park their cars. Do that fast.
Princess, shift. What is this motor's conduct?
Okay. I'll call you back.
My darling, have you communicated with our in-laws to know if they are close by?
Yes, Mom, I have, Mom. I have.
Good. Let's go in.
Oluchi, I'll call you, okay? Yeah, I'll call you.
Mommy, that is 360. Where's that? Where's that? Hi.
Uh-huh. Who are you and how may I help you?
Good day.
Good day.
My name is Ikenna. I am here to see the princess.
Princess. Yes. Wait, are you one of the drivers that are expecting today?
No, sir.
Eh?
No, sir. I was specially invited by the princess.
You are specially invited by the princess. See, let me tell you one thing. True to God who made me, who needs roots. You look like a long corner. Okay. No problem. You are here for a princess, right? Okay. What is the name of the princess?
Princess Ugumma.
So the one that is looking for princess. I don't know where you forged that name. How you managed to call that name, Princess Ugoma. Anyway, anybody can call that name, sir. Anybody can call it. Look at how you look. You look like a village, in fact, village bouncer. See, for information, I will go there and confirm. If I go there and confirm and comes back, and notice that Princess Ugoma did not invite you, what I will do to you, what I will do to this your form that you call your chest, you will ever regret your life. Stay here. Yaman myself, clear? Repeat after me. Stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Okay.
I love this gold chain. I'm going to order it. My God, it's so beautiful. Just like this one I'm putting on. I love this. I love this. I love this wish.
Greetings, my princess.
Yes.
My princess, there is a young man outside the gate. He said that you invited him.
A young man?
Yes.
And he did not tell you his name?
His name.
Be fast about it. You're wasting my time.
Ikenna.
Ikenna, please go get him.
Sorry, you didn't hear the name well. I said his name is Ikenna.
Just go and get it. Go.
This is love, a special lover, princess.
I missed you so much. What took you so long?
I am so sorry. I needed to help my mother get some firewood from the farm. That is why I came late. I am sorry.
It's okay. I'm glad you were here. Come on.
My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is destined, tied up with yours. You're my soulmate, forever. You're my love, forever.
Welcome to the palace of Obodeze King.
It's so beautiful.
Thank you. I'm so happy you're here. Oh, Father. Father.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
Father, this is my friend. He came.
You're welcome. Sit down.
Thank you.
Mom.
Greetings, my queen.
What is going on here?
Mom, this is my friend Ikenna, the young man I told you and Dad is coming to visit us in the palace today.
And who are you to my daughter?
I
Okay, dear. Let him be comfortable, okay? Young man, relax, okay? Sit down. So, tell us, where are you from?
Your Majesty, I am from Ezeduru, in Amanza Kingdom. The son of late Ichie Azubikem. But my mother is still alive. She's a retired teacher and now a farmer.
What do you do for a living?
Your Majesty, I am not working yet. I just finished my National Youth Service.
Father, there is no need asking all these questions. I love him already. My heart beats for him.
It's okay. It's okay. A young man, make yourself comfortable, okay?
Okay.
Thank you,
A
Daddy.
special lover, princess when our king is confused. The queen is confused. Nobody knows what to do in this situation. In this situation, only God can help. So Chineke, Bonyeka Bato Seyemaka. This situation is bad.
Obidie, I know you are not happy.
Of course I am not happy. Ugoma wants to bring shame to this kingdom.
We can always sort things out, okay? I am seeing future in that young man.
What future? That boy has no future. And he's from a very poor background. So where is the future?
Ogidia, it's okay. We can always make him rich. I know he's not rich, but we can make him rich and bring him up to our standard.
May the gods forbid. That boy wants to ruin my reputation in the society. No. Ugoma wants to bring shame to this kingdom, but not in my watch.
Obidie, whatever we are fighting for here on earth is vanity upon vanity. Please, let's embrace love for the sake of our daughter, please.
Why not the senators? Why not the governors? The people of high class and reputation? Eh? It's okay. Ugoma wants to bring shame to this kingdom, but not in my watch.
It's okay. We will talk about this. The dining is set. Let's go and entertain the boy. Okay?
My fellow women will laugh at me. It's all this.
It's okay. We'll talk about this next time. Let's go. The dining is set. Simply. Come. Come, Miss Gray.
Joy at last, joy at last.
Ikenna, I hope you're enjoying your food.
Oh yes, I am.
I'm glad you like it. Come on, eat up.
Neka. My queen. Later you get some takeaway packs. Gather all the leftover food and give it to Mr. Ikenna. I'm sure he'll be needed when he gets home.
My friend, it is not necessary. I am okay. I'm fine now. Yes.
Madam,
Greetings, my queen.
save your greetings yourself and warn your son to stay away from my daughter. They are not of the same class. Anyway, I have some package for him. Guard,
My queen.
get those bags of money.
Money.
Ikenna, take this money and stay away from my daughter. Each of this bag contains 25 million naira. Here are 4 bags, making it 100 million. It is enough to take care of your poverty-stricken self. I know you have not seen this kind of money before. You can relocate to a different place and make yourself comfortable.
My queen. I am sorry I will not accept this money. I will not go close to your daughter again if that is the case. I shall make sure I block her on every social media so we don't communicate to each other again.
That is good. But you can still take the money because I wouldn't want you to be here. She might come looking for you. I want you to leave this community to a different location where she cannot find you.
I will not leave my father's land for anyone. I will handle this case my own way. As for the money, take it back. Or better still, go and give it to the orphanage. I do not need it.
Guard,
Yes, my queen.
load this money back to the car.
Show me. This morning. Why is all this happening to my only son, God? This is not what you told me. This is not what you said. Why? Why all this? Why all this now?
Yeah.
It's not.
Nah. Stop crying. Okay? What if the prophecy wasn't for Princess Ugoma? This is what you should be thinking about. If actually this prophecy is going to come to pass, it should definitely come to pass. Okay? Just relax. Everything will be fine. I will be fine. Yes.
Even inside this village. Hey, you know, oh wait, so you mean the queen came here to embarrass you?
I am telling you.
Hey,
Kelechuku, I felt so bad. You needed to see the way the queen embarrassed me. While we were eating, I noticed she wasn't comfortable with me. I was still looking at her. The next thing, she ordered the palace maid to pick all the leftovers, put them in a takeaway package and give it to me to bring back to the house. Asikita.
Oh, man. It's very embarrassing. Oh. Asking is
Dog, it's very embarrassing. Oh, it's very, very embarrassing.
what did the princess now do outside? What did she say?
The princess was mad. She was mad at the queen. As if that wasn't enough. She left the palace, came into our village, came into my house to offer me 100 million naira to leave her daughter.
100 million naira. Guy, you don't make out. I don't. Don't tell me you declined the offer. Hey, if they make 100 million naira, you said no.
I don't understand. Why would I accept it?
Oh,
No, tell me.
boy.
Why would I accept it?
You 100 million. I love go. You don't have sense in my deal. Well, listen. What don't worry you?
I have integrity to protect.
And I think they do that. And I integrity. You can normally can you what? Integrity. Stop this thing you're doing.
100 million naira for what?
My prince!
Get
My prince!
that one.
My prince! They don't want you to marry her. Come and marry me.
You don't see why.
It's you.
Every is 100 million.
I brought you flour.
I like it. I know you like it. He likes it.
Hey, Togo, 100 million here.
Yes, you're mad. Get out from this place now.
Get out.
I said, get out from this place.
I can't tell you.
If you're gonna wife.
You get now, so where you go? I get 100 million gate. Yo, man, she even got the flowers. Hey, can't tell me.
Ikenna don't suffer.
Follow her now. Gonna. Yeah, Baba. And not too much.
Nyawa. You madman.
And you get a match.
My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is destined, tied up with yours. You're my soulmate, forever. You're my love, forever. You are the one to cause revival on me. You're my strength.
Ma.
Mommy scared me.
Who was that on the phone you were staring at?
Mommy is Ikenna. I can't stop thinking about him.
Ma, my daughter,
Yes, Mom.
I promise to do anything for you if you would do just this one thing for me.
Which is?
You know, as the former ambassador to the United Kingdom, everyone is looking up to me. So I wouldn't want to do anything that would bring me shame. I don't want to see my only daughter get married to a commoner. So my darling, I will appreciate if you can stop seeing that boy. I will do anything you want.
Mom, I know it's all about Ikenna. But if you love me as your only child, you are allowed to get married.
Ma, I don't know if you were exchanged at the hospital the moment I gave birth to you. Because you don't reason like me. Eh? I can see that that boy has used charm on you. But I'm going to lock that boy up if he doesn't stay away from you.
Mother, Ikenna did not use any charm on me. We are destined for each other, Mother. There is this joy, this peace, this calmness I feel in my heart whenever I am around him, Mom. He's my everything.
Listen, I can't imagine myself giving out my only daughter to a commoner. No, I will not allow you to bring shame into this household. Want that boy to stay away from you, else you know what I would do.
What is happening? Why is Ikenna's line not connecting? He even blocked me on Facebook. Well, I hope nothing has happened to him because I'm really worried. What do I do now? What is going on?
Why the motorcycle? And why are you dressed like this? What about your guards? Your mates?
Ikenna, your line is not connecting. And I noticed you blocked me on social media. What is going on?
Yes, I did.
Why?
My princess. We need to stop seeing each other. Yes.
Ikenna, why? What is my offense? What did I do wrong?
There is no offense. You did not offend me. This relationship is going to land me into trouble. Your mother is on my neck. She is ready to do anything just to separate us.
I don't understand. My mom?
Yes.
Did she threaten you? Did she threaten you, Ikenna?
No, she did not.
Then what is going on? Why?
You need to stop these visits. We need to stay away from each other, please. It is not going to work.
No, please. Ikenna, please. I am begging you. I love you so much. I really love you. You give me peace of mind. There is this calmness, this joy I feel in my heart because of you. You're my everything. Ikenna, please. Don't do this to me. Please, I beg you, no.
That princess, you will not understand. You won't understand. The pressure is on me.
Ikenna, no, please.
Bakwel!
My queen, greetings.
Where is my daughter?
Sorry, you mean the princess?
Are you stupid? I said, where is my daughter?
I don't know where she...
You were the first stupid for saying that.
Yes,
Where are the maidens and the rest of the guard? All of you gather here at once!
Okay, yes, my queen.
Are you stupid? Look at this fool! Now listen and listen good. If I do not see my daughter in the next 5 minutes, I'll lock all of you up in the palace cell.
My queen, she left the palace this morning. She said she wants to go alone.
Come here. Closer. You must be very stupid for saying that. How dare you?
I'm sorry, my queen.
Why didn't you inform the queen? Have you seen her leave this palace without being accompanied by her maidens?
No, my queen.
Answer me!
No.
Stupid girl. Come on, get lost! Fool. Let it not be what I'm thinking. Okonta!
My queen.
Get the car key and take me to Ikena's house at once!
Okay, driver. Driver. Take the key.
Fast!
What is intelligent? I don't put you at ease. You got a price from me.
In case.
Princess! Is this the kind of life you have chosen for yourself? Mingling with a good-for-nothing church rat? Hey, come on now! What are you doing here, Mom? Why have you chosen to disgrace me, Princess? Why?
What are you doing here, Mom?
Will you shut up your mouth before I shut it up for you? I should be asking you what you're doing here, dressed casually, without your car or any guard. Princess. You are such a disgrace to the kingdom of Obodeze. And you? Haven't I warned you to stay away from my daughter? Haven't I?
Mother, this is not right. This is not right at all. All you care about is your reputation. Tell me, how many lives have you touched?
One more word from you. I will tell you that I carried you in my womb for 9 months. You have no right to speak rubbish from your mouth. And you. I will not warn you again. You know what to do. Now, Princess, get into the car.
I am not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere.
God! Yes. Grab her and take her inside the car.
Don't come close to me. Don't you dare touch me.
I said take her in.
I'm at the door.
Nonsense.
Calm down. My princess, you have to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Since your mother is not in support of you marrying Ikenna, why don't you listen to her?
He says for your own good. Oluchi, I am seriously angry with my mom. I am really disappointed with her. I'm disappointed with her actions. What my relationship was together. Don't you get it? Don't tell me to calm down. Eh? If the bill is not in support of you marrying Ikenna, don't you think you should listen to her? Besides, for your own good. For my own good, you say? Yes. Oluchi, that is not possible. That is not possible. I can only my relationship with Ikenna. Not even my father, the king, can stop me from seeing Ikenna. I have to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Don't tell me to calm down. Tell me to calm down. My queen. Good day, my queen.
Now I know who has been misleading my daughter. So, you have been the one advising her to go after that riffraff of a human.
Me?
That low life.
No, mother!
Oh, shut up.
No, I can't do so.
Will you shut up your mouth? Your elder sister is married to Senator William's son. Why didn't you advise her to go for a low life?
Mother, please stop!
Will you shut up your mouth? A daughter who fails to listen to her mother will not understand a thing of disrespect until her own daughter does the same thing to her. As for you, Oluchi, I do not want to see you around my daughter ever again.
I'm so sorry, my queen.
Leave this palace at once.
I have to go.
Birds of same feathers. Nonsense.
Mother, what sort of embarrassment is this? Why are you embarrassing my friend? The drama you displayed at Ikenna's house is not enough for you. Huh? Why can't you let me live my life in peace? Why?
That choice you have made is a wrong choice. What? Do you realize the truth of who you are?
I don't care, mother. I don't care about my status as a princess. I don't care. All those things matter in heaven.
Mind how you speak to your mother, else you will regret it.
Mother, you cannot do this to me. You can't do this to me. I won't allow you to I won't.
And what is going on here?
Father.
Can't I just have my peace in this kingdom?
Father, talk to mom. Talk to mom to stake love and relationship with Ikenna. Else, Father, I will kill myself.
Honey, speak to your daughter. She wants to bring shame to this kingdom, but not in my watch. I will not allow it.
Enough. Please, calm down, okay?
Honey, is that all you have to say? Eh? Calm down. You have to do something about this because this is getting out of hand.
Father, talk to her. Talk to your wife. Else, if she does not let me live in peace, I will kill myself.
Oh, you can't kill yourself. You will kill yourself. You cannot kill yourself.
So I wouldn't want to do anything that would bring me shame. I don't want this to see my only daughter get married to a commoner. So my darling, I will appreciate if you can stop saying that boy.
Where is my daughter?
Sorry, you mean the princess?
Are you stupid? I said, where is my daughter?
I don't know where she is.
You were the first stupid for saying that. Where are the maidens and the rest of the guard? All of you gather here at once.
Yes, ma'am.
Mind how you speak to your mother, else you will regret it.
Mother, you cannot do this to me. You cannot do this to me. Talk to one to stake love and relationship with Ikenna. Else, Father, I will kill myself.
Greetings, Your Majesty. Her Majesty, the princess has refused to open her door. Even last night, she refused to eat her food.
Why? What are her reasons?
Honey, let her be. She'll be fine.
That's my only daughter we're talking about here.
She is my only daughter too. I know her too well. Whenever she's upset, she serves herself.
Obi dear, I need to see my daughter now. Let me know why she's starving herself.
My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is destined, tied up with yours. You're my soulmate, forever. You're my love, forever. You are the one to cause revival on me. You're my strength, my joy giver. If not be you, I go die. If not be you, I go die, baby. You're my soulmate. You're my soul.
Ma, please open this door. Okonta! Okonta! Yes, Majesty. Yes, Majesty. Where is the straight into this door? Okay.
What is happening? Why did she lock herself up?
She's not opening the door.
Hold on. Hold on a minute. Ma, please open the door. Ma!
Where is this bowl you're talking? Sir, this is Okonta opened it. Okay, sir. Open it.
Emi ame na fome na ka be pade. Wa na we we me na me ka be pade o be be. Wa gun ego. O sunu. Wa o yo. Wa na me wa na ka be egbera na. Wa be do akwo mi. O sunu. Wa ka ma me. Wa o yo le be ara. This sickness left her 8 months ago. Why the reoccurrence?
Wise one, we don't know. What can we do? She's my only daughter. She's all I have.
Wise one, please help our daughter. She's our only child. Please do something.
Epole pia were ebe go die. Omo no fi gbe yeki no. Omo no bu bokuta oba lo. According to the gods, this illness left her 8 months ago. Immediately she came in contact with her soulmate.
How do you mean?
Wise one, my daughter is not married. Which soulmate are you talking about?
Her soulmate left her. That is what led to the reoccurrence of this illness. You have to go find him so that your daughter will get well again.
It's okay.
Who could be this soulmate? I think it's that he came of a boy.
No. I don't think so. Remember he said she met her soulmate 8 months ago. So I don't think he's the one.
In this situation,
It's okay, my daughter. It's okay, please.
Hey. Nagil sige na apta.
Kede babo. Kede wane.
Hindi kanta chosa. Ole.
Kede wane.
You boy.
Nazi kwani ike wane.
Okay.
Welcome.
Agini jizige. Ike babo. I hope all is well with you.
I don't know. I don't know what is going on. Kelechukwu, something is wrong somewhere. Ever since yesterday, whatever I hold will slip off my hand. It is not normal. Just imagine what happened now.
This is not a good sign. Ikenna, you need to stop thinking about the princess. This shows that you're not meant for each other.
You're right. But you know I love the princess so much. I love her so much. I can't stop thinking about her. Lately, I have been thinking of leaving this village.
Yes, but leaving the village is not an option. You need to stop thinking about the princess and focus on your life. Come to think of it, Aike Bobo, you're a young man, young and vibrant. All you need to focus on is making money, and you have classy and beautiful girls lined up just for you. So relax.
But how does my love get to do with things falling out of my hands?
You think too much. Focus on yourself. Love yourself more. Stop thinking about princess.
Irijuo bajuo. Ụzọ ga-esi m n'isi gafe. Mba! Ụzọ ọkpa ịnọ n'ise anyị ga-anarịrị. Ọkụkasị jụọ akpa ekechie ya ọnụ. Unu asị gịnị? Where is our soulmate? Wise one, my daughter is not married yet, so she doesn't have a soulmate. For 8 months, she was free. And that was the same period she met him. Get her soulmate.
Our king is confused. The queen is confused. Nobody knows what to do.
This is serious. Everyone is saying something.
I'm equally confused, my king. 8 months ago.
This situation is bad.
My king, I think I remember Prince Azoka. Have you forgotten it was 8 months ago he came to ask for our daughter's hand in marriage?
It is good to have you in my palace.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I have come to pluck something very precious to my heart.
What is it you want to pluck at my palace?
Your beautiful daughter, the princess, Your Majesty.
Huh?
Wow. That's good news.
Well, you're most welcome.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Your Majesty, I love your daughter so much. And I have admired her for so long.
So I decided to come to the right thing. And that is to ask for her hand in marriage. Of course, with your permission.
And what's hand in marriage? Huh?
Ugoma, what is wrong with you?
Mother, he came from nowhere. He introduced himself as a prince, seeking your permission to marry me. Does it really work that way?
But he's doing the right thing by seeking permission from your parents.
The more reason he should have come to me first. Meet with me first. Discuss it with me first before coming straight to my parents. That is how it's been done, Prince.
Keep quiet.
Mother.
Enough.
That's okay. Azuka, Your Majesty, we will reschedule this visit for another day so that we can have time to discuss with our daughter. Okay?
Yes.
That won't be a problem, Your Majesty. Thank you so much.
Oh. You are right. Prince Azuka. Obi dear, let us invite him over.
Our king is confused.
Your Majesty, you sounded so urgent on the phone. I hope all is well.
Nobody knows what to do.
Azuka,
Your Majesty,
we know you love our daughter so much.
yes.
And you will do everything possible to protect her.
Your Majesty, I love her deep down from my heart. Yes, I do.
My daughter is very sick.
What?
The chief priest said she will only be fine if she sees her soulmate. That is why we have invited you.
Your Majesty, this is serious. How is she? Where is she?
She's in her room. Please, come and see her.
Please after you.
Nobody knows what to do in this situation. Only God can help. So Chineke, Bonyeka Bato say Maka. This situation is bad. Oh.
Your Majesty, what kind of sickness is this? I mean, this is serious. Your Majesty, please, I am so sorry. I can never be her soulmate. I think you should look for him elsewhere. I'm sorry.
Our king is confused.
Obi dear, let's invite that poor boy. We don't have a choice. You can see the way the whole thing is going. He is now our only hope.
In this situation, only God can help. So Chineke, Bonyeka Bato say Maka. This situation is bad. Oh.
Okota!
Your Majesty, you called me. Go to Ikenna's house. Tell him I want to see him in my palace immediately. Yes, Your Majesty.
In this situation, only God can
Oh, this is
help.
smart thing. Coach, see coach. Iki Alpha. Alpha the princess. Are you still communicating with her?
We've not been reaching out to each other. Yeah. But you know they used to say, quote unquote, according to your size.
Shoe, you get size. Okay, they can quality. But you get big eye, you guy. Princess. This man.
I love this girl so much.
Hey.
Apart from the fact that she's a princess, I know I love her from inside. I feel so much for her. Do you know at times I don't even sleep? I keep dreaming of this girl.
You reach like that.
I am telling you.
Hey, this man.
But I don't know why the king and queen doesn't want to see what we feel for each other.
Definitely. But now praise you the good stand. But now praise you the good stand.
What is he looking for?
Ikenna, the king sent for you.
Did you steal anything the last time you went to the palace? No, what's the reason for this invite?
Why would I steal something from the palace? I don't even know his reason for inviting me.
See, probably this want to arrest you. Do you know what will happen? Tell them you're busy and you have something. I mean, just cook up something. Don't go Ejewana. Not us, I not tell you, my guy.
I think that's what I'm going to do.
It's quiet to me. Could you?
Yeah? Get man. Go back to the palace. Tell the king that I am not chanced to honor his invitation. Tell him that I have an appointment to catch up with and it is very important.
Ikenna, this invitation came direct from the mouth of the king. And so, please, don't turn it down. Let us go.
You are there when I said I am not chanced.
Ikenna, let us go.
Go and tell the king that I am not chanced.
Ikenna, I said, let us go now. Let us go. Let us go.
I said, go and tell the king that I am busy. I cannot make it.
He's busy. It's not possible. It's not possible. Ikenna, please.
What else now are you now? They go. I said, this place.
Please, now.
Girl, you should say, boy.
Listen now.
Please. Please now. Please now. See me for Banu Baptabu.
So Chineke, bonye gabato say maka. This situation is bad. Oh. That's what it's gonna be, it's gonna be. Where to go, Mary, he's now a winner.
Your Highness, where is Ikenna?
I saw Ikenna, but he told me that he has an appointment. In fact, he doesn't have any chance at all. And he won't come.
Oh, honey, our daughter cannot remain like this. We need to take her to Ikenna's house at once.
I
did. Hi! you see the way I was playing that ball today? Eh? That ball. I'm anxious now. By the time I sound like this, Oto, you this idealness now.
Our king is confused. The queen is confused. Nobody knows what to do in this situation. In this situation. That's what it's gonna be. It's gonna be.
Your Majesty, please, forgive my son. I have already told him to stay away from your daughter. And I believe he will never come close to your daughter anymore. Please.
No, we are not troublemakers. We are here for peace.
Yes.
What? He came for peace?
Yes.
Yes. We are peacemakers. Where is your son, Ikenna?
Igwe.
Joy at last. Joy at last.
Mama, please, don't run, eh?
What is it? You need to go and sit there.
What do they want?
Wait now.
Allow me to talk. They said they are here for peace. Yes.
You no need to be afraid. Eh? Let's go and... Now, let's go and sit there.
Mama, you don't need to trust these people. Don't trust these people. I am not going there. I don't want to see them.
Nah, don't worry. I said calm down. Eh? Let's go and see them. I know why they are here.
Nah.
No, just, I am your mother. I will be behind you. Let's go.
Go first.
No.
Ikenna, do not be afraid. We are not here for trouble. We came for peace. My daughter has been sick for days now. She has been struggling with a strange illness. That is why we are here to see you.
Am I sick?
Yes, Ikenna.
Is she alive? Where is she?
She's in a car.
Ma. Ma. Ma.
My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is destined, tied up with yours.
Are you okay? You said you were sick.
No, I'm fine. I'm fine, but... Oh, my princess! Hey, yeah, I'm fine. You okay?
Oh my God! My lovely daughter. May the gods be praised.
How did we get here? When?
It's a long story, my dear. You're okay. Oh my God. Come here, my baby.
If it not be you, you're my strength, my joy giver. If not be you, I go die.
What's going on? Why am I on my night dress? What happened?
My princess, it's a long story, okay? The good news is that you're fine now. It's okay.
I have seen that both of you are made soulmates. I pronounce both of you man and wife. Henceforth, no man
will come in between the both of you.
A special love, princess will love Bobo. This love is divine, special love. Let the gay pull on mama. Okay, mess my soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is forever.
By the power vested in me as the head king of our 7 dynasties, I, Igwe Alex Okaume Bulbul 1 of Obodeze Kingdom, I'm aware that Obiago Kingdom has been there without a king since the demise of your king. I will use my power vested in me by the gods of the 7 dynasties to pronounce you, Ikenna, as the next king of Obiago Kingdom.
Princess will love this love is divine, special love. Let the gay pull on mama. Okay, mess with it.
Thank you. Thank you. You got to take it on my own. I got to take it on my own.
Thank you. My soul is destined, tied up with yours. My soul is you're my love, forever. You are the one to cause revival on me. You're my strength, my joy giver. If not you.
This is so nice.
Ikenna, your mansion will be ready in 6 months, according to the contractor. I want your coronation to take place there.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty. Wow. I am so speechless. Words can't express how I feel in my heart. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Your Majesty, your kindness and generosity has left a very wonderful spot in my heart. I appreciate everything. Thank you. My queen.
You're welcome.
Thank you for the good days. Thank you for the bad days. I appreciate you.
You're most welcome.
Nem.
Nam.
I love you so much.
Same here, son.
Thank you for believing in me. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And to my beautiful wife, Uma. Achalugo.
Ikenna, please.
Oma Wachano. My joy. You are my heartbeat. The mother of my unborn babies. Thank you for loving me. And I promise I will love you with everything I've got. Thank you.
Ikenna, I'm so happy you came into my life. Thank you so much. Come here.
Thank you. I'm sorry. So, let's continue to eat our wonderful meal.
Okay.
Yes.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Dad. Cheers, my love, woman.
Cheers.
My beautiful wife.
My handsome husband.
Your Highness.
So, I hope you guys are enjoying your meal.
Of course, ma'am.
Eat up, eat up.
This is love, a special love, princess will love Baba. This love is divine, special love.